Hello friends, welcome once again in my channel Innovative Ideas. Today I want to show you how to recondition your laptop battery which is weak or not charging in your laptop. So here is the process for recondition your laptop battery. To recondition your battery, first of all open its cover or open its casing, because inside battery there are 6 cells of 3.7 volt each which are placed with the circuit. So just open the casing of this battery. The model differs from battery to battery or brand to brand, so just check out from that battery can be opened. Check out the casing from which the battery casing can be opened, and I am giving the demonstration of the HP laptop battery. Open the casing very gently because it contains a circuit and the connections, so that it will not damage the circuit. So after opening it, here we are getting 6 cells, and in this each cell is connected in a 2 of each cells are connected in a parallel manner, as you can see in the circuit. Now what you have to do is take the multimeter and put that into the DC voltage and check the voltage, at how much voltage the battery is giving. Okay, 3.96. These 2 cells are giving 3.96, and these 2 cells are not giving the proper voltage. And let us check the last pair of the cells. 3.96. These 2 cells are also giving the proper voltage. Let us check once again the middle cells. This is the negative end and this is the positive end, and here we are getting that these 2 cells are giving only 0.28 volts. So it is necessary to replace these 2 cells and replace with the good one cells, and your battery will be alive and it will be reconditioned once again, and you can use in your laptop once again. So just replace these 2 cells with the proper one. So friends, I am having this much of cells from the old laptop batteries which has been taken out, and let us check the voltage, that how much voltage the cell is giving. 3.71. and remember, this is the negative end and the small round one is the positive end of the cell. This is giving 3.97. so let us take only 2 cells, because we are in need of only 2 cells. So I have taken these 2 cells. I will replace the middle cells with this one, and battery will be alive once again. connection has been done of the batteries. Now just adjust so that it could be easily fitted back into the casing. After repacking of the casing, you just put into the laptop and make it charge for 3 to 4 hours, and your laptop will work smoothly. And depending upon the battery quality, it will give you the backup. And I think this is proper, so it will work fine. And okay, let us now check on the laptop. So this is my laptop, HP Pavilion G4, and I am placing the same battery which I have repaired just now into the laptop. And okay, now let us charge it. Here the power is coming and it's charging. So let us remain it charged for 2 to 3 hours, and then only you can check the backup of your reconditioned battery of the laptop. So after 2 hours, here it is showing that it is fully charged, and let us check by powering on it. So at present time, let us check the status of the battery. 73% available, plugged in, charging. And let us remove the charger pin from the laptop and let us see the condition. And at present time, it is 73% available. It is 72% charged and showing the backup of 2 hours and 8 minutes. So friends, this was an innovative idea to recondition the battery of your laptop which is damaged. So in this way you can recondition the battery of your laptop. So friends, if you like this video, then please give a like to me, share and subscribe Innovative Ideas. And please, if you like this video, then please give like to me, click on like button. Thanks for watching Innovative Ideas. Thank you. To subscribe Innovative Ideas, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon.